Hello and welcome. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear errors or how you can troubleshoot your Google Maps mobile app if it is not responding. For this tutorial, I'm using Redmi Note 10. However, this should perfectly work well on any other Android smartphone. Now, as you can see, I have here my Google Maps and we expect that when you open it, it should perfectly work well. However, in some cases, it might not be responding. So if your Google Maps app is not responding, all you need to do is to go to settings and from here look for apps and then tap on it. Then tap on manage apps to open all the apps you have on your mobile phone. Now sample through all your apps until you get to maps. And here it is. Tap on it to open. Now to troubleshoot this app, all you need to do is tap on storage. Down here you'll see clear data. Tap on it. And then you have two options, either to clear all the data or to clear your cache. From these two options, select clear cache. And then tap on it. Then tap on OK to complete the process. And as you can see, the cache has been cleared. Now you may want to go and restart your smartphone so that you just get a fresh new start. And go out and tap on your maps and you should get a new fresh start. If this has not worked, you will have to repeat the same process, and instead of clearing cache, you will clear the whole data. If you do that, you'll have to log in afresh. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot your Google Maps Android app and it should start working well. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.